Alden, third update, yung post na Sparkle Jamie Artist Center para kay Alden, sabi, congratulations to Asian Multimedia star Alden Richard on receiving Manila Bulletin's Newsmaker of the Year Award. Your Sparkle family is very proud of you. Yun, no? Congrats kay Alden. Sa ito pa, yung Bibo rin, may pa-congrats din kay Alden, sabi, congratulations Alden Richard for a well-deserved nomination in 38 PMPC Star Awards for Television for Drama, Best Drama Pulang Araw, yun, no? At ipabati ni Alden yung 7th anniversary ng kanyang fans club na ATS. Rin video.
Hello guys, to my ATS family, happy 7th year anniversary. I have nothing but gratitude to all of you in the past 7 years, and here's to the next 7 and beyond. Maraming salamat for all your support. I love you guys. Happy anniversary.
You know. So ito pa, yung balik workout na si Alden kasama yung mga ka-gymmates niya. Yung naaninag pa nga si Alden doon sa likod. Yung mga ka-gymmates ni Alden. Yung balik workout ni si Alden. Yun, no? Yung bigat pa nga na binubuhat niya, oh. Barbell. Lakas ni Alden, eh. Ayan si Alden yung nakatalikod. Kulay gray na t-shirt, saka itim na short. Yun, ha. Ayan, balik. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is Victoria Antrim Live. Stay tuned for more update. See ya.